Hola, ¿cómo está? Mi nombre es Guilherme Geiger. Yo soy brasileiro, soy brasileño, soy gerente de ventas internacional para Allied Steel Buildings. Manejo todo lo que son los proyectos para Centroamérica y Sudamérica. Y de verdad muy emocionado con esta oportunidad, con este viaje, ir a conocer nuestra nueva planta que está en operación desde febrero de este año. Empezamos a producir en el pico de la pandemia y aún así entregando con la más alta calidad, con el compromiso con el cliente y con el servicio que es característico de nuestra empresa. Esta nueva planta de Allied fue construida así como nuestra empresa, pensada en nuestros clientes, buscando siempre la mejor solución, siempre la solución más adecuada a cada tipo de proyecto y a cada tipo de cliente. Como sabes, ya tenemos más de 5.000 edificios entregados en más de 65 países y esta nueva planta de Allied nos da aún más flexibilidad para poder diversificar las soluciones, la calidad y el servicio que ya es el costumbre de Allied, ya es habitual de Allied con nuestros clientes.
My name is Mike Stock. I am the Senior Account Manager in the International Department of Allied Steel Buildings. The most exciting thing about the trip is probably just being able to get a feel for the plant itself, see the pride in the workmanship, see the look on the people's faces here, whether they're in management or they are on the floor handling paint, handling the drilling, handling the steel itself. It's just an energy that feels good, just the vibe. I like it.
Mike Lassner here from Allied Steel Buildings, here with Ruben Serna from Allied Steel Buildings. And Ruben, what are we doing here? We weren't here a year ago in La Coruña, Spain. And here we are with, I don't know, what do we have, 40 team members in our group all working here now?
Yes, I mean, we started in this January building our new team, new production team. Has been challenging, but it's been really glad how we are able to find good employees that are helping us to see the future. That's what we're looking for. So we are getting the opportunity to have our own factory, to have our own equipment and to make our own projects here in Spain, here in La Coruña, here in this beautiful city.
And it's funny, in a difficult situation a year ago, I was talking to Ruben and we were talking about how our supply chain partners were struggling to manage COVID, to manage it in their shop, to manage it in the mills. And they were saying, we don't think we're going to be able to deliver on projects the way we had committed or the way we hoped to. And I'm sharing that conversation with Ruben, and his reaction is, well, why don't we just build a factory of our own? Let's take control of the situation.
Yes, we have a lot of people in the company that knows how to do things that other company doesn't know. So we need to use it in the benefit of our clients. And it's what we did here to create a great synergy in the different companies, different people that we know each other, and we build this.
And we've been here for a week. We've been overseeing clients' projects in fabrication. We've been meeting with supply chain partners day in and day out, and all of them have been, it's really unique. It's in a unique environment. All of them just been, how can we help? We're so happy to have you here. How can we help? How can we grow you? What are the plans for the future? How can we plan it with you? It's an amazing environment to be in. And really, we say we're with you all the way. I know some people have interesting reactions to it, but we mean it. And that goes from our team members to our clients and to our vendors. So it's really special when they've repeated those words back to us in meetings and how they're excited to be a part of the team with us.